Some dressings just sit on a salad, but a good one? It brings everything together. Today we're making a honey mustard vinaigrette that's smooth, balanced, and honestly hard to stop drizzling. For the full list of ingredients and exact measurements, check the description below. We are going with 3 tablespoons of honey and 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard for that sweet and tangy base. Then pour in a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar to brighten everything up. Next, add 1 clove of finely minced garlic, followed by 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper for seasoning. Now give everything a good whisk so all those flavors come together smoothly before we move on. Now slowly drizzle in the olive oil while whisking continuously, allowing the dressing to emulsify and turn slightly creamy. Give it a quick taste and adjust if needed. By the way, if this is the kind of simple recipe you love, go ahead and like the video, share it with someone who enjoys homemade dressings, and subscribe to SpiceRally and tap the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. And there you have it, a beautifully smooth honey mustard vinaigrette ready to pour. This makes about 3/4 of a cup, perfect for salads, roasted vegetables, grain bowls, or even as a light marinade. Try this the next time you're putting together a salad and see how much it changes the whole dish. And when you do, tell us what you paired it with. Thanks for watching and see you soon again.